Ano siyang lonely girl? Lonely girl?
Hello, lonely girl.
Hello, lonely girl. Say hi to
Lonely
camera.
Girl. Hello,
Say hi!
Hi, lonely girl.
Lonely girl.
Lonely girl. Uy, na. Say hi, say hello.
To mommy.
Oh, this is Mommy Livia.
And daddy.
And Daddy Angel. Daddy Angel. Daddy
Daddy Ilik.
Oh, Daddy Ilik. Oh, look at them. They're very sweet. Oh, that's sweet couple. Oh, they are the sweet couple. Sophie and Barbie.
Nasa bag? Hello, Barbie.
Oh.
Hello. Did you say Barbie?
Say hi, Sophie.
Say hi to camera.
Say hello to the camera, baby.
And this is Mom Arlie.
Oh my God, very big.
Blooming, very blooming. Oh, look at, oh, cute, very cute. Oh, very cute smile. Oh, smiling baby, smiling mom. And this is Larry. Oh, very sweet. Oh, take a pose, baby. Oh, like that. Oh, rolling baby. Oh, it look baby.
I'm scratching my egg.
Yes, that's your egg. Yes, look at the balls. Oh, and this is Madam Violet. Oh, look at, oh, very pretty. Mariel Rodriguez. Oh.
Egg hunting tayo. Pumasok itlog tanan. Egg hunting. Pumasok itlog tanan.
Daddy Livio. Oh,
my God.
He is drinking ano.
Simple na good siya.
Sana siya? Hello,
Kila ka, iro ka nga bayot.
He's drinking urine. This is Mommy Livia.
Test.
And pretty Sophie. Oh.
Yung sabi kami na sa baby. Barbie ay.
Hello.
La, nito ko lagi. Walay tulogay bayot. Na, way tulogay yot. Dili matulog lonely boy ay. Girl di ay. Ma'am Arlie.
Naka-yellow. Oh, tanga ba? How about lemon stick?
How? Hi Mark. Hi Lar. Hi Pring. Una ko, pagkit oh. Ha?
So, tabunan sa kanang son.
Okay lang.
Like pa na wala son. Masakanin, masak. Ibigay siya ko dito. Para sa iso, ibigay siya. May tagay na po.